Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. I'm going to try my hand at another white underneath the alcohol ink tumbler like I did recently based on a comment by the Purple Stitch. I'll link to that video below if you want to see what I'm talking about and don't know. This is actually a cup I colored for something different, but I'm gonna do this with it. And in order to get my white underneath, the business with the white underneath is that I use Piñata Blanco Blanco in the resin underneath all the alcohol inks that I will be dropping on top, instead of using the white to drop drops of white on top of the colors. So the white is underneath the alcohol ink colors I'll be dropping on, not on top of the colors, even though traditionally alcohol ink swirls come from the white being on top, and then you hit it with heat and it swirls everything around. So I put the white in the resin that goes on the cup first, and then I drop the rest of the colors, the rest of the alcohol inks on top, and we get swirls that way. It's just a little bit different. So to go with the color I've already spray painted the cup, I'm going to use white in the resin, but I'm also going to use a couple drops of Cast and Craft blue opaque pigment. So I will theoretically be having a light blue resin on top of the blue that I've already painted the tumbler. I'm sorry if this is confusing. You'll see what I'm talking about pretty soon. And then I pulled a whole bunch of different blues. Most of them are Ranger. I have Glacier, Cobalt, Denim, Stonewashed, Monsoon, and I also have Resin Ultramarine Blue, which is gorgeous. And like I did in the other video in the same vein, instead of using gold like I did in that one, I'm going to use Ranger Silver. But this time I really am going to limit myself to just 4 or 5 drops total and not get carried away with it like I did last time, because that just left so many massive pools of gold in that case, and would leave silver in this probably. I'm going to mix up about 20 milliliters. This is only a 20-ounce skinny. 20 milliliters of resin on here ought to be just fine. So sit back and watch the show, and we'll see how it turns out tomorrow. Or in the case of the video, a little bit later. And we're back. Let's see what happened. Oh, it looks pretty. Oh, I love it. I love it. It's gorgeous. Oh my God, look at this. Hang on. Glasses on so I can appreciate it. Look at all the swirls. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love it. And holding myself back to only, well, I said 4 or 5 drops, and I admit I added a 6th drop just to get a little silver on the bottom. So, okay, 6 drop, 5 on the body, 1 on the bottom. That's it for the metallics. But oh my gosh, look at that. All the different blues and the depth. That is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I'm in love with this method. Let me know what you think, folks. Give me some color combinations to try in another one. What I should put in the bottom resin base and what I should put on top with the alcohol inks, and we'll see if it swirls. Oh, I just love this. I love how it turned out. Stay safe, everyone. I will see you in the next video.